For this lesson, let's practice a bunch of spheres and blended shading. So I'm going to start with a very light circle. Let's just start with a very basic shape and have some fun. All right, very simple circle. Anybody can draw a circle. Now, with this circle, what we're going to do is we're going to practice. We're going to darken in the edges. And we're going to practice shading this. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be exact. We're just scribbling. We're just sketching. All right, don't worry about it. It just has to be the shape of a circle. It doesn't have to be an exact circle. Now, pull out just a little bit. And I'm going to identify the light is coming from up over here on the right side. So let's draw the light right there is fine. Let's draw the arrow. That's going to be our light source coming down. So right away, I always put the shadow. I take my pencil and in this direction, remember the drawing compass. All right, if you haven't printed up a sheet called the drawing compass right from my website, the lessons there, you need to do that so you can look at this. I'm going to position this shadow from the sphere in direction look at north. Oops. I'm going to position this one in direction southwest. All right. See, it doesn't matter if you make little mistakes. Just cross them off, and we'll plow through it, and we'll learn these important words. The line's coming down in southwest. All right. North would be up here. That's northwest. Let's put a shadow on the ground following that guideline all the way across. Really dark under there. Look at that. Pop that up. All right, so we have our light source. We have the shape we're going to shade. We're going to make this flat circle look 3D with the powerful word of shading. Here we put shadow. That's one of those words. Now right behind here, let's put way back here, let's put a horizon line. That's one of these Renaissance words here, okay? Draw that horizon line. I'm going to tilt it just a bit. It should go horizontal. It should match the horizontal line of the bottom of your computer screen, okay? Now the light's coming from up high. So let's shade all the way down here. I'm going to take the side of my pencil. You can take the side of your pencil and just do a nice shadow. Look at the shading opposite over here. Look at this. Kind of curving it. Kind of curving the shading. Let's curve it down here. Look at this. I'm following the contour. See this? I'm kind of following the contour of the sphere. I'm going to get really dark along that edge. Okay? And then we can clean up the circle later. But look at, I'm going to go toward, you see, light's going to hit right here. X marks the spot where the light hits. That's where the light hits. So the sun's coming down. So we're going to shade all this underneath here. You can scratch it, you can scribble it, you can blend it. Really dark, okay? Underneath here, all the way across. All right, then you can take your finger and you can blend it with your finger. All right, I'm going to suggest you guys get a paper stump. These are wonderful to shade with. Now, you're going to blend this shading on round objects, and you're going to have solid shading on square objects. We'll be doing a box or a cube in just a second. But look at the light comes in, hits here, so I'm going to have all this darkness slowly blending up toward the light. See, the light's going to hit right there. So I'm going to go all the way up here, all the way up to right here. Look, you can blend it. If your finger works just as well too. Look at this, and then maybe I'll take this and maybe I'll pull it out a little bit. See this? Maybe I'll make this into more of a foreshortened shape out here where the circle is, okay? So there's your little shadow. So you could take the shadow itself if you really want to go detail. Look at this. I'm going to put a foreshortened circle down here at the bottom. See, kind of a squished edge, and then I'll blend it in so it's nice and soft. See this? Really super dark. I love that under edge right here. That's called an undershadow, nook and cranny shadow. Real dark underneath there. All right. Well, there is a SimpleSphere. That's an excellent one. You should draw 10 of these every day. It's a good practice for you. Excellent job. And in the next lesson, let's draw like 3 or 4 spheres overlapping behind each other. Way to go.